Hello and welcome. I'm Mary with GotSafety, here with today's lesson on warehouse safety. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. The warehouse is a very busy place with multiple high-priority jobs going on all at once. Employees may be tempted to cut corners on safety in order to save time in this fast-paced environment, but doing so may be very dangerous. If you work in a warehouse, you are required to follow all of the safe work practices involved. In this lesson, we will cover safe lifting practices, forklift safety, loading dock safety, and some general safety rules when you are working in a warehouse. One major safety risk when working in a warehouse is ergonomic injuries from improper lifting. The following are basic guidelines, but if you want more specifics on proper lifting technique, see our lesson on backs and lifting. Employees who lift heavy objects at work should be familiar with proper ergonomics, such as keeping your back straight and lifting with your legs. Prevent injuries by moving heavy loads with mechanical equipment whenever practical. Avoid twisting while carrying anything. Instead, turn by shifting your feet in small steps. Always get help if a load seems like more than you can comfortably lift alone. Improper forklift operations can result in toppling material, struck by injuries, or crashes, so please be aware of the following. Only use forklifts if you have been authorized and the forklift is in good working condition. Ensure that all aisles or paths used by forklifts are kept clear. All forklift operators must wear seatbelts while the forklift is in operation. Warehouses should be kept well ventilated to allow the dissipation of forklift fumes. Never move loads that exceed the forklift's maximum weight capacity. For more information on forklift safety, see forklift safety in our lesson library.
Hey everyone! If you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.